Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the second part of the video, how much I'm gonna spend in one day here on the beach in Rio. Right now I'm in Ipanema, sorry. I came here walking, so I have no Uber to show you guys, but usually it's like 10-12 reais to come here. But anyway, I came walking so I could see the view and also show you guys. It's really nice when you like entering in Ipanema from like the connection of the neighborhood, it's really nice. Now let's go enjoy this beautiful day. As I told you guys, it's already summer here. As you guys can see, the beach is very busy. This spot that I am now, it calls Arpoador. It's at the very beginning of the beach. There actually. But let's go, let's keep walking. As you guys can see, no clouds today. There's a lot of sun. Some bags, bikinis, açaí truck.
Bom dia, minha linda. Precisa de uma cadeira, um guarda-sol? Obrigado.
Actually, guys, there's no shade because the sun is right here in the middle, so there's no way to run actually. But I think I'm gonna stop at every tree I see to get some air and shade because wow, this is like the summer definitely is already started for sure. It's very warm. As I left the main street by the beach, I came to the street inside, so I finally found some shade. There's a lot of trees here, as you guys can see, shade. Very refreshing. Now let's keep walking to our spot. This is Ipanema. It's really nice, there's a lot of trees here. Amazing. The life changing actually during the summer. Amazing. Guys, now I'm gonna get ready to go swim. So what did I do when I'm alone on the beach and I want to go to the ocean? I always ask for the guys from the barracas to keep my bag. Well, as a Brazilian, I trust them because this is their job, They wouldn't like mess with the clients. This is what I think. So I'm gonna leave my bag there and I'll come back soon. Guys, I'm leaving the beach now because I'm starving actually. I'm gonna walk to the restaurant to show you guys. And wow, what a warm day. The sun is still burning and it's already like 3, I think. Okay, this is push to 10. Now we're gonna pass that. And it's the first restaurant here on the sidewalk. We're almost there. I hope there's a table for us, me and you guys. because I'm alone. Here we are. Welcome to Clássico Beach Club. Let's go in and get a table. Ooh, Clássico Beach Club. I love it. Guys, my food is here. This is filet mignon with truffed potato. It's like really, really, really good. If you guys trust me, yeah, you should try. If you're in Rio, you should try. It's really, really good. I love it. Yeah, I'm starving. I swear to God. And this is the potato. Amazing. So my lunch was something around $25. I think it's fair. Yeah, that's it. Guys, the total of today in Brazilian reais was 213 reais, which it is $42. Just spent like the whole day. I had breakfast, I went to the beach. I didn't have nothing on the beach, but nice breakfast and nice lunch too. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, if it was like too expensive or not. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.